Hey guys, we got Big Mama over here eating her watermelon. And
got all my chips.
Got all her chips. Alright guys, this is night 2, camp number 2 of our 3-day, 2-night trip. Great trip so far guys. The weather has not been terrible, but it has also not been great. We did get in one hike so far, one gravel ride in. We were actually doing that to go to another hike, but ended up a little sketchy, the parking area. As usual, all trails sent us to the wrong place. We ended up on private property, so we had to get the heck out of there. There was a lot of no trespassing, violators will be shot signs and stuff like that, so we got the heck out of there. This is our favorite hip camp that we've ever been to. It is July 3rd. Last time we were here was on New Year's Eve. Check this place out, guys. We're gonna get you some amazing drone footage here also. This is just incredible. All right, let's take a tour. This is our view from camp. You cannot complain about this. We are on the top of the mountain. It is 4-wheel drive required to get here, or required, as I said. This section over here where the cross is actually private property. There's another owner. But guys, look at how the clouds are sitting in the mountains over there. This place is gorgeous, guys. We're gonna get set up, run some drone footage for you. Hopefully we'll get lucky. As you can see, looking around, maybe we'll have some fireworks tonight. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and get set up. And we'll see you in a little bit. All right guys, see, we're gonna have a beautiful sunset right there. Try to get that, maybe time warp that for you guys, time lapse it or whatever. Tent is set up. We're gonna leave these windows open tonight. We got a great breeze up here today. We're a little bit off level, so you see we put a couple rocks under here. You either use those or we could use the recovery boards, but we have a ton of rocks. So, all right guys, can't complain about this. Good morning, everybody. We are here at camp having our coffee. Excellent night's sleep. We had an amazing sunset. Hopefully you guys got some pictures of that. We're gonna get packed up here. We're gonna do some hikes today, and then we're gonna head on home. All right, guys, we'll see you. All right, guys, we are here on the Blue Ridge Parkway. We're gonna walk up here to Waterrock Knob Trail. It's very short, it's only a mile. But we decided to get out of the truck for a minute. We've been driving for quite a while. Then we decided to hop on the parkway. All right, guys, let's get hiking. We're up here at the top. Got quite a few people up here. Gotta say, it's a short hike, but it is a climb. That is a big climb coming up here. You see down there, you can see the parkway. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely worth the hike up. All right, there's the parking lot where we started. Come on. All right, guys, you see the clouds are starting to pour in. So we're heading back down.
That's a bird.
All right, we're about halfway back down. You can see this terrain is pretty rough. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, so we're back here to the pavement. Heading on down. Shouldn't be much longer now. Gotta say, this trail is very surprising. You see that it's 9/10 of a mile, and that climb is pretty brutal. It is up the entire time. It never levels out. Alrighty, here's the parking lot down here. Definitely check this trail out, guys. The views are gorgeous. If you can get it on a clear day, it'd be amazing. We did get a good view. It's been this whole weekend. The clouds have been very cool, how they just move in and out real quick. So you can see it's all cleared back up. All right, guys, we're at the bottom. All right, guys, definitely check this trail out. Absolutely awesome hike. A little bit difficult on the way up though. we appreciate you watching. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button, click that bell for notifications for upcoming videos, and we'll see you on the next one. For now, S&T, peace out.